Hi guys, this is the part 9. Huwag na, ganyan pagkupo. Ay, sorry. Guys, this is sweet. Sweet. Look at this. Give. Thank you. Ito po si Sammy ko. This is poop. You have a smell. It's like a poop. Lang. Tinan ate may dudut. It's so poop. Dali. Tinan ate may. Turuan nag-udo na talaga.
Yak ko na na.
Wala yellow udo. It's so funny. Maybe. May nanokin ko to. Diba? Siya yan. Nanokin ka. Gusto mo mabalik ko? Tinan mo. It's a hug. My candy is yummy. Paubos na na. Guys, part 10 na, ay part 11 na lang guys. Bukas na yung part 12. Oo. Hindi. Part 12 na yun pananggin. Hanggang sa 20. Sino yun? Loko. Nila ba? So guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Next is part 10. Yeah. Bye-bye.